Looking for the perfect tool to make strong, hidden joints for your woodworking projects? The top 5 best pocket hole jig in this year ensures precision, durability, and ease of use, making it ideal for beginners and professionals alike. Let's explore the top picks. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. goingmake Pocket Hole Jig. The goingmake Pocket Hole Jig stands out as a durable and highly accurate tool for anyone serious about woodworking, especially when it comes to installing concealed cabinet hinges. Unlike plastic alternatives, this jig is crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, which not only ensures long-lasting use, but also provides the precision that's necessary for clean, professional results. The built-in double bearings enhance drilling smoothness and efficiency, while the included 35mm carbide-tipped bit is both solid and sharp, making hinge installation a seamless process. One of the biggest advantages of this jig is its dust collection system. With a built-in metal dust bracket that easily connects to a 1 3/8-inch vacuum hose, users can work without worrying about mess or inhaling harmful dust. This not only improves cleanliness, but also enhances accuracy since a dust-free surface is easier to work on. For beginners, the jig's design makes it incredibly simple to set drilling depth without complicated measuring, offering settings up to 0.6 inches deep. Whether you're working with half-an-inch overlay hinges or others, the jig ensures compatibility. It also provides versatility with hinge offsets ranging from 2mm to 6mm and offers multiple hinge screw spacing options, accommodating most hidden cabinet door hinges. The inclusion of a 5/64-inch drill bit and guide system further adds convenience. Overall, the goingmake Pocket Hole Jig is perfect for both professionals and hobbyists who want efficiency, precision, and a dust-free woodworking experience. Number 2. Trend Pocket Hole Jig. The Trend Pocket Hole Jig is a professional-grade option designed to deliver both convenience and reliability for a wide range of woodworking applications. Whether you are building cabinets, assembling mitered frames, or constructing face frameworks, this jig offers the flexibility to handle projects with ease. Its adjustable height feature, ranging from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches, ensures compatibility with various wood thicknesses, making it versatile enough for most DIY and professional needs. What makes this jig appealing is how quick and easy it is to use. Unlike setups that require complex measurements and calculations, this jig simplifies the entire process, making it an excellent choice for both novices and experienced woodworkers. The included workpiece support rods and end stops ensure stability during drilling, eliminating guesswork, and providing consistent results every time. Built from durable metal, the Trend Jig ensures long-term accuracy with hardened bushing sleeves and a robust face clamp to keep workpieces firmly in place. Users will appreciate the reliability it brings to creating strong, concealed joints. The jig also comes as a complete kit, including 100 dome-headed screws, a high-speed steel drill bit with a depth setting collar, square drive bits, and even a storage case, which adds convenience and value. This makes it a ready-to-use solution straight out of the box. In summary, the Trend Pocket Hole Jig combines precision, durability, and ease of use in a compact package. Number 3. Milescraft Pocket Hole Jig. The Milescraft Pocket Hole Jig is designed with both flexibility and user convenience in mind, making it a great addition to any woodworker's toolkit. One of its strongest features is its adjustable bushing blocks, which contain 2 3/8-inch steel drill guides. These guides can be adjusted to drill boards from as thin as 1/2 inch to as thick as 1.5 inches, making it extremely versatile for different woodworking applications. Beyond thickness adjustments, the drill guides can also move horizontally to position holes between 3/4 inch and 3 inches apart. This level of adjustability allows woodworkers to customize their pocket hole placement according to project requirements, offering greater control and precision. Another highlight is the laser etch markings in both inches and metric measurements, ensuring accuracy and eliminating guesswork during setup. The jig also features a sturdy steel toggle clamp with a micro-adjust clamp head, which provides the right amount of pressure for different board thicknesses, ensuring stability during drilling. For added convenience, the jig includes a built-in storage drawer that holds bits, drivers, and depth stops, keeping all accessories neatly organized and within reach. The L-base can also be detached, transforming the jig into a portable tool that can be used for repairs or on-the-go projects. This portability makes it especially useful for quick fixes or when working outside the workshop. Overall, the Milescraft Pocket Hole Jig offers an excellent balance of precision, flexibility, and convenience. Number 4. Kreg Pocket Hole Jig. Kreg is one of the most trusted names in woodworking, and the Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 520 Pro lives up to that reputation by offering unmatched versatility and ease of use. Designed with both beginners and professionals in mind, this jig makes pocket hole joinery fast, strong, and easy. The process is simplified to drill, drive, and you're done. Ideal for anyone who wants reliable results without overcomplicating the task. What sets this jig apart from others is its versatility. The 360-degree rotating handle allows users to position the jig in virtually any orientation, making it adaptable to different projects and working angles. This makes it possible to put pocket holes anywhere on or around a project, whether you're building furniture, cabinets, or repairing existing pieces. The design also emphasizes portability, making it easy to carry and use wherever your project takes you. Included with the jig is a pocket hole screw starter kit, which contains 260 screws in 6 popular sizes. This ensures users can start projects immediately without needing to purchase additional fasteners. The durable construction ensures long-term performance, while the kit's ease of use makes it especially appealing to beginners learning the art of pocket hole joinery. Kreg tools are known for helping woodworkers bridge the gap between ideas and finished projects, and this jig exemplifies that mission. In summary, the Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 520 Pro combines durability, adaptability, and user-friendliness in one tool. Number 5. ENJOYWOOD Pocket Hole Jig. The ENJOYWOOD Pocket Hole Jig is a durable and well-balanced tool that provides excellent performance for woodworkers who value accuracy and efficiency. Built with a solid aluminum frame, this jig is not only resistant to wear and corrosion, but also designed to deliver consistent results over time. Its sturdy build ensures it can withstand frequent use without losing precision, making it a reliable companion for both professionals and hobbyists. One of its standout features is its adjustability. With settings ranging from 1/2 inch to 1 3/4 inches, it allows users to work with both narrow and thick stock, adding versatility to its use. Whether you are working on furniture assembly, cabinet construction, or picture frame fastening, this jig is designed to adapt to multiple woodworking applications. The ENJOYWOOD jig also excels in precision drilling. It creates flush, corner, and angled pocket hole joints, which are ideal for leg and rail connections, cabinet face frames, and tight spot fastening. Its removable drill guide further enhances convenience, allowing the jig to be used either as a mounted tool for workshop stability or as a portable option for on-the-go projects. This flexibility makes it a great choice for those who need a tool that adapts to different work environments. By simplifying the drilling process and ensuring accuracy, the ENJOYWOOD Pocket Hole Jig helps users speed up their projects while maintaining professional quality results. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.